In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in ERPNext to track your key business metrics in one place. First, decide the purpose of your dashboard. Identify what you want to monitor, such as sales performance, inventory status, or financial data. Knowing your goal helps you choose the right reports and charts. Next, search for Dashboards in ERPNext and click New. Give your dashboard a clear title and select the related module, then save it. Now start adding charts. Click Add Chart and select an existing dashboard chart or create a new one by choosing a report or data source and applying the required filters, such as date range or category. Finally, arrange the charts using drag and drop, save your layout, and click Show Dashboard to view your live data. That's it. You've successfully created a powerful dashboard in ERPNext. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more ERPNext tutorials.